Naimbag na Rabi sa ating lahat, no? This sida-sida, it came up during one of our conversations with Mayor. He was really thinking hard. Sabi niya, Ans, ano bang pwede natin gawin para ma-attract yung mga tao from other provinces to come over to Paniki? We were thinking, ano yung what makes us different? What makes us distinct? Talagang he was really thinking about it. Ilang taon na actually niya inisip yun eh. Until one day, sabi namin ganun, sabi kong ganun sa kanya, it's right underneath our noses. It's the food that makes people come back here. It all started nung alala ko 1997, dinala niya ako dito. 1997, 1998. Dinala niya ako dito, tapos pinatikim ako ng buro at saka ng balaw-balaw. So after that, every year, once in a while, during the year, sorry, hindi every year, no? Every time I would come here, hinahanap ko yung buro tsaka yung balaw-balaw. And then I noticed with my children, pag pumunta rin sila rito, we want to eat, Mom. Palaging ganyan. Gusto namin yung food. They're really looking forward towards eating. So nung nag-uusap kami, sabi ko, Doris, you know, you should capitalize on the talent of the Panikenyans, which is the ability to cook food very well. Maybe because we're right in the middle of so many provinces. Katabi natin Pampanga, katabi natin Pangasinan, katabi natin Ilocos Norte. We get the best of all these provinces and we make it our own. We make it our own, we make it even better. When we make it even better, then it's ours. Now, if you think about it, kailan ba tayo nagkakaroon ng okasyon na more than 600 na tayo dito sa loob ng auditorium, na nagsasama-sama tayong lahat? This occasion is not only to highlight the food of Paniki. This is to celebrate the spirit of community that we have here. Dahil mahal natin ang ating bayan, di ba po? Mahalin natin dahil maganda ho ang bayan natin. We have so much to give. You Panikenyans have so much to give. When they were saying that I was the inspiration for this, no. Kayo po ang inspirasyon para dito sa sida-sida. Next year, we will even do this better. Lalakihan natin, mas marami pang tao. Isipin ko na lang, you know, this is not actually now something that will attract tourists, but to attract each other. We sit down together, we eat, we converse, we become one big family. Our sense of community is awakened. And when our sense of community is awakened, then we do more for the community. When we do more for the community, when new citizens of Paniki do more for Paniki, lalong gagaling ang Paniki, di ba pa? We should give ourselves a round of applause. Kung dahil wala kayo, wala rin to. Hindi ho magiging success to. Hindi po. This day, kaya pagpasensya, no, ganito lang po yung suit ko, no. We went around with the food columnists. Nancy Lumen, who owns Aristocrat, and Danny De La Cuesta, who's also food connoisseur, and Chef Mac, of course, food connoisseur. Inikot-ikot, they wanted to go to the places where the food was being made. Natitikman-tikman na namin lahat, kaya hindi na nga kami nakakain dito, busog na kami, no? But they said one thing, there is so much promise in our cuisine. Who would have thought that the thing that we should always be proud of was just right there on our tables? It was just right there in our kitchens. It was there in our backyard, growing, waiting for us to appreciate it. And tonight, let us not only appreciate the food, let us appreciate the spirit of community. And I hope that forever, mapagpatuloy mo natin to. Hindi lang tayong gagawa nito, kundi maapo natin, apo ng apo natin. May sarili na tayong event na yearly. Matatalo natin yung Sinulog, matatalo natin yung Panagbenga.
Oh, what a dream.
Matatalo natin yung mga ati-atihan. Kasi dito lang I don't even want to say festival because it becomes generic. Ito lang ang event na masasabi natin sa buong Pilipinas that brings people together to eat together. We become one in this one night. But in this one night that we become one, we hope that inspires all of us to become one, not only tonight, tomorrow, next year, a decade from now. So anyway, I want to thank, kasi let's say nga, I thought about the idea, no? Pero let's thank our Vice Mayor Jean Linsa, who tirelessly met with the people behind Sida every week. Vice, mahirap hindi maging sparring partner yan eh. Somebody who could pull this off can be called insane. Ang una kong inisip kasi dito, 300 people lang eh. Tapos after like a month, sabi niya gano'n, ang laki na ng sales ng tickets natin. Ikaw talaga, ilan na? 600. Nakakagulat. And the response was very good. Kasi hindi nyo alam eh, nasa ilog na ninyo lahat eh. So let's celebrate tonight, Sida, mga nata. At maraming salamat po, maraming salamat sa aking asawa, si Mayor Doris Revilla. Maraming salamat kay Vice Mayor Jean Lisao. Talagang wala pang tulog yan. Kaya, thank you very much again. And have a great evening.